Look at this top.
This video shows a tight setup using our new Nexus Mute On plugin along with SourceNexus Review and SourceNexus Router to set up a fluid remote session, providing full record, playback, and communications for all parties where clients are on SourceNexus Gateway and the talent is on SourceConnect. Starting with a blank Pro Tools session, create a record audio track that you will use to record the remote talent onto. Place the SourceNexus Mute On plugin on this channel and select options to mute on stop and record to essentially set up a mix minus, effectively preventing echoing back to the talent while the track is receiving input from SourceConnect, but not while it's in playback. Therefore, you must make sure not to use input-only monitoring on this track and instead use auto input monitoring. Next, create a stereo master fader and place the SourceNexus Review plugin on it. It's all set to go, you just need to select your talkback mic. Make sure that the audio track is routed to the same monitor output as the master fader is set to. For the return audio from SourceConnect, create a mono aux track and place the SourceNexus I/O plugin on it. Set the receive of Nexus I/O to from SourceConnect, and then send the output of this aux track to the input of the record track. This makes a very simple DAW template. So to tie it all together, we will use SourceNexus Router. Set up the following routes. First, from SourceConnect to your monitors, so you can hear the talent always. Second, from SourceConnect to Nexus Broadcast, so the clients on the Nexus Gateway can also hear the talent. Third, to Nexus Chat to SourceConnect, so the talent can hear your talkback mic. And fourth, from Nexus Chat to SourceConnect, so the talent can hear your client on the Nexus Gateway. Please note, if you've not created a to and from SourceConnect path or device, go to SourceNexus Control and create those devices. With the setup as it is so far, keep in mind that there is no talkback from you to the talent until the DAW session is open, so the SourceNexus Review plugin can manage your talkback mic. However, when you are between DAW sessions, your talent and clients can still hear each other, while you can only hear the talent. Therefore, if you'd like, you can also set up two more routes in Nexus Router. First, from your talkback mic to Nexus Chat, so your clients and the talent can hear you. Unless you're only using headphones, keep this set to mute when you're not talking to prevent echoing from your speakers to the talent. Also, keep this muted once your DAW session is open. Second, from Nexus Chat to your monitors, so you can hear the clients on the Nexus Gateway. Again, once your session is open, you'll want to keep this muted because that path will be handled by the Nexus Review plugin. And so there you go, a very simple DAW setup for remote VO recording with remote clients that also lets you keep communications open while you're closing and opening your DAW sessions.